Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. How about that? You got any solution to this? So what you got there? Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, and welcome to another episode of Shop Tips from a Cat. The problem of a face vise, it won't hold tight because the jaws don't stay straight. It's been around for as long as there have been face vises. And if you go and you look at any stack of old woodworking magazines, you'll find dozens of solutions to the problem. And they all involve putting something on the other side that's just as thick as what you're working on. So, since I've never been one to decline to participate when there was already too much involved, I decided to make my own. There's nothing really new for this sort of thing, but my idea is two wedges with a screw in between them. You can draw them up from about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, which gives you all the adjustments you need for just about any kind of project. We're at the Packard Precision 12-speed drill press to make the pivots. The pivots are made from 3/4 inch poplar dowels on this V-block jig. Plus I've got this little indexing block which will allow me to rotate it 180 degrees because I'm going to drill from both sides to try and minimize the cutout. You're going to use a T-nut that's been cut down for clearance. It'll go in there just like that. The jack screw starts with a piece of threaded rod with a T-nut welded to it and a knob cut out from the regular hole saw. Once the bolts put together, assembly is fairly simple. You'll need some washers where it's going to bear against the front pivot, and they need to be small. So what you're going to end up doing is take 1/4 inch washers and wringing them out to fit the 5/16 inch bolt. On this side, keep the screw from backing out. You need to put a nut, and you could use a lock nut, but I always just run it down all the way and then put some red Loctite on it, which after that I don't think it's coming loose. Once the Loctite is set, it goes together. Pretty easy. Page, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory, thanking you for watching another episode of Shop Tips from a Cat. Really appreciate it. We would appreciate it as well if you would like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and we'll have more videos coming out soon.